Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of TRON and its booming meme coin market. TRON's ecosystem is exploding with meme coins, and we are here to break down the top 3 you should keep an eye on. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. Now, TRON has become a hotbed for meme coins with over 30,000 meme tokens launched recently. The ecosystem is growing fast and the TRON's revenue has hit an all-time high in the past years. With the chain's increasing activity, we could be at the start of a new meme coin cycle. This is creating the opportunities for traders and investors to profit. So one of the main drivers of this growth is the platform that is called Sun Pump. It allows users to easily launch and trade tokens at low fees, making it accessible for new and experienced investors alike. The platform's user-friendly nature and low cost, around 25 cents per transaction, make it stand out in the meme coin space. So if you are looking to profit, it's essential to stay ahead of the trending tokens. One quick way to identify the potential winners is by following the hottest narrative and monitoring with meme coins are gaining attention. So if I talk about the narratives, so the first important narrative revolves around the tokens associated with popular themes like characters or animals. For example, meme coins relating to animals such as cats and dogs have gained momentum. One token called Sunka has been riding this trend and could be positioned for another rally. Another example is this that is called Wukong, a meme coin that shot up to a $9 million market cap in just a few days, providing massive returns for early investors. Some traders have turned small investments into substantial profits. So there are stories of people turning $3,600 into $124,000 in just a matter of days. So these rapid gains highlight how fast moving and lucrative the meme coin market can be. Tron's influence extend beyond just meme coins. The Tron network has a high level of liquidity, particularly for stable transactions like USDT. The Sun token is a prime example of how Tron's ecosystem supports its meme coin culture. Listed on major exchanges like Binance and Bybit, Sun token benefits from a system where profits are used to buy back and burn the token, creating upward momentum. With a current market cap of 237 million, Sun token is positioned for growth, especially considering the attention Tron is getting. So meme coins on the Tron network are not only gaining traction but also becoming a part of a larger ecosystem that's intervened with major exchanges and stable coins. The third significant narrative revolves around the characters from particular meme culture. Specifically, we are seeing the rise of the meme coins linked with figures like Pepe, the Frog, Brett, and Andy. These characters, previously tied to another blockchains, are now finding a home on Tron. Give the meme coin market cap of the similar meme coin on another network. Tron-based meme coins following this trend could be have explosive potential in the next cycle. So there you have it. Tron's meme coin ecosystem is thriving and there are major opportunities on the horizon. Whether it's token following hot narratives, platforms like Sunpump, or the rise of the Sun token, the potential for profit is real. As always, make sure you do your own research and stay informed about the latest trends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bells to stay updated on the latest crypto. To stay updated on the latest in crypto.